Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our $25 join kit because it's officially back in March. But before we dive in, hello, if you're new here, please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, let's go ahead and dive on in. So yes, February's join special was absolutely phenomenal. I was so happy with it. I'm so glad that a bunch of you took advantage of the February join special. But sadly, that one is over, but we woke up with a brand new special back in March only. So Scentsy started doing this a few years ago, offering these super affordable starter kits about once a year, I believe. And the $25 kit is officially back. So if you've been thinking about joining Scentsy, no matter why, I want to go ahead and put that out there, no matter why. If you want to do it just to start getting money back on your Scentsy Club, you can switch your Scentsy Club to yourself as your own consultant, and that's putting money back in your pocket. If you want to sign up just to get money back on your personal orders, you can do that. If you want to sign up to get money back whenever you decide to do parties, if you love to do parties for your consultant, or if you've never done a party before and you want to start doing that, you get to treat yourself as a hostess/host. You actually get to keep the rewards and you also get money back on that party. If you want to join Scentsy for an outlet, like just something to meet new people, meet new friends, have that community, you can do that. If you want to join Scentsy just to earn yourself and a guest free, all expenses paid vacations, you can do that. If you want to join just for the early access, you can do that. If you want to join just for the discount, you can do that. If you want to join just to see all the extra stuff, you can do that. If you want to join to start making some extra income, or maybe one day replace your current full-time income, you can do that. No matter your why, literally, no matter what, I think that the chance to grab this $25 starter kit is a great opportunity for you because it is super affordable. It does give you a little bit of business materials to get you started. It's literally all you need because the fact that you can purchase any extra materials that you want, or you can completely run your business online and not have to pay for any material in hand. And before we actually dive into the kit contents, I want to say that I created a new way to help you with your launch party all online, and I launched it in February. It's an all online launch party that you can do in combination with maybe like an in-person home party or a Facebook party, however you want to do it. But this is something that I'm going to start doing for all of my brand new sponsorships, and I make it for you. It's super simple. I will give you the guide of how to send it out, and again, all online. I created this because I just realized that I'm not able to go to your house to help you do an in-home launch party. So I wanted to create something to help you have an online party that helps your friends and family learn a little bit about the product, like a very simple way to do it, and also for you to learn about the product and your first consultant goals and everything about it. Guys, the sun is coming in and out. The white balance is throwing on and off on my camera. I don't know why I keep turning pink and red and then white. I don't know. I'm sorry, but I'm trying. I'm trying. But here's the kit contents. So again, $25 plus tax and plus shipping. But this is what you get. So first would be the Crowned in Gold mini warmer, which is a $25 warmer. So technically you're paying for a warmer and you're getting more, plus you're getting a business. You're getting a business opportunity. You're also getting a Black Raspberry Vanilla Scentsy bar, which is the #1 best-selling wax of all time. You're getting some scented stickers for the Coconut Lemongrass, which is an amazing classic. And these scented stickers are something that you can put on flyers, you can put on mail outs. It's literally just a rub and stiff sticker sample, and all you gotta do is stick it wherever you want to stick it. You also get some scented stickers of a Eucalyptus Lavender Mint oil. So this is the oil for our premium and deluxe diffusers, the water plus oil diffusers. You get a sample pack of the Spring and Summer 2023 fragrance testers. So you're not going to get a tester of every spring and summer scent, but you're going to get a pack of 25, which is going to be a really, really great variety. And again, this is a smaller kit, so you're getting a smaller amount of stuff, but it's still something that can really boost your business. And you are also getting the quick start guide. So this is the consultant guide telling you everything about the business opportunity, what you can do with it, how to do it, and where to start. And you're also getting a pack of 5 of the spring and summer 2023 catalogs. So that is the catalog that just launched on March 1st. You're getting a pack of 5. And again, you can purchase any other materials that you would like. And what I mean by that is that whenever you get signed up and you log on to your consultant workstation, we have a consultant store where you can actually order more catalogs, a full set of fragrance testers if you want. You can order more scented stickers. You can order apparel. You can order pins. We have a whole consultant store where you can kind of customize your kit. So if you've been thinking about joining Scentsy for a while, you could technically use that balance of like the $99 kit minus the $25 kit, and then you can kind of customize your kit if you were already planning on paying that $99 price and, you know, purchase the materials that you actually want. And I get asked often, what is the minimum quota? What do I have to do every single month? Do I have to carry inventory? Do I have to do this? What do I have to do? It's super simple. It is super simple. The only minimum to stay as an active consultant to where you can log onto your workstation, you can submit orders, you can get money, like you get paid as a consultant and have the opportunity to log on and see our news and get the early access and get the Scent in the Warmer of the Month kits if you want it. To stay active as an actual consultant, the only minimum is to have $200 in sales in 1 month out of every 12. So $200 in sales before taxes or before shipping, $200 in 1 month. For example, you do it in March, you're good for the next 11 months. That's it. No inventory, no doing this, no doing that, no having to be on Instagram, having to be on Facebook, having to be on YouTube. No, that's it. That's it. That is literally it. So these kits are available now. And if you want to talk more, please just reach out to me somehow. I'm on all the social medias. You can find my links down below in the description box. I will answer any and all questions because I am an open book, and I would love to chat more with you to see if this is a good fit for you. We offer everybody a seat at our table in our sensational Southern community, and you are welcome here and you are able to succeed. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, don't watch me join me in March, and have a great day.